guys. Good morning, good morning. Shout out to all. Gisa tayo ng kangkong fresh from the farm. Ayan. Ginisa ko lang yan sa bawang guys, at saka Mamacita oyster sauce. Yan. Masarap yan, fresh na kangkong. Guys, ginisang kangkong with oyster sauce, Mamacita. Ayan. Masarap yan guys. Lagyan natin Mamacita's oyster sauce. Ayan guys, oh. Mamacita oyster sauce. Yan lang ulam namin guys. Ulam na yan. Thank you guys for watching. Jesus love you all and God bless you all. Please like and subscribe and click the notification bell para po updated kayo sa mga simpleng video ko. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.